The 13 best hypoallergenic laundry detergents. All Free Clear is a mid-priced laundry detergent that is readily available in the United States on laundry detergent aisles and online. Manufactured by Henkel, it is a good all-purpose laundry detergent that performs well in removing daily laundry soil. However, heavy stains will require additional stain removal treatment. Babyganics offers a line of products that includes laundry detergent, dryer sheets, and cleaning products. The products are available in mass marketers in the United States and online. The seventh generation company offers a huge line of cleaning, laundry, baby, and feminine products that are all natural and plant-based. Laundry products are offered in scented, natural essential oils, and unscented formulas. The Free and Clear detergents can be purchased as a liquid or in single-dose packs. There are also Free and Clear stain remover and dryer sheets available. Available in both a liquid formula and as a single-dose pod, Tide Free and Gentle is safe to use for anyone with skin sensitivity but is still tough enough to remove stains for the entire family thanks to the enzymes in the product. Tide is the leading seller in laundry detergents and a staple in many homes since it hit the shelves in 1946 because of its performance as a heavy-duty detergent for removing even the toughest stains. Charlie's Soap, manufactured by a small family-owned company in North Carolina, is available in both powder and liquid formulas. Made with natural ingredients, it is an effective laundry detergent for the entire family, works well on oil-based stains, and can be used safely on cloth diapers. Country Save, available in liquid and powder formulas, is a hypoallergenic laundry detergent that contains no optical brighteners, fragrances or dyes. The detergent is included in military care packages due to its biologically safe ingredients. Drops Laundry Detergent is offered in single-dose packets in several scented and unscented formulas, neither of which contain irritating dyes. Both perform well on lightly stained everyday laundry. Gain Botanicals from Procter & Gamble is Gain's first plant-based and USDA-certified bio-based detergent that is free from dyes and optical brighteners. The product line does include scents like orange blossom vanilla and white tea lavender created by essential oils. Honest Laundry Detergent is available in liquid and single-dose formulas. The detergent was created by actress Jessica Alba and partners as part of a green line of diapers and cleaning products for use around children. Method Laundry Detergent is a highly concentrated laundry detergent that is offered in scented and unscented formulas, neither contains dyes. It is a very effective detergent for removing normal soil and heavy stains. Molly's Suds is an all-natural line of laundry products including powdered detergents, liquid sports detergent, and wool dryer balls. The products are hypoallergenic and perform well on light soil but need additional products to remove heavy stains. Purex Free and Clear is manufactured by Henkel and is one of the few unscented and dye-free laundry detergents readily available on mass marketing shelves. A mid-priced detergent, Purex Free and Clear is available in a liquid formula. Purex Baby is dye-free but does contain added scent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.